Hello and welcome to Pregnancy Info. Today we will discuss the reasons and solutions of hair fall after pregnancy or postpartum hair fall. So, we should know about how your hormones change during pregnancy and postpartum. During pregnancy, your hormones change dramatically. One of the first to spike is human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG. That is the hormone your pregnancy test measured, and its rising level indicate that you are pregnant. Pregnancy also causes several other hormones levels to rise, including estrogen, progesterone, oxytocin, and prolactin. Your blood volume also rose during pregnancy to as much as 50% greater volume than normal by your due date. Immediately after your baby is born, several of your hormone levels drop quickly, including estrogen and progesterone. Those hormones will be almost back to normal levels within 24 hours after birth, although prolactin will stay high as long as you're breastfeeding. How hormones affect your hair? Hormones are the biggest reason for your pregnancy hair changes and postpartum hair loss. During pregnancy, your high level of estrogen prevented your usual rate of hair loss. Normally, your hair falls out in small amounts every day. During pregnancy, your hair loss decreases. The effect is compounded by your increased blood volume in circulation, which also causes your hair to fall out less than normal. So after your baby arrives and your hormone levels drops, your hair makes up for lost time by falling out in much bigger clumps than it normally does. The total volume of your hair loss probably isn't more than you would have lost over the last 9 months. It just seems like it because it's happening all at once. Postpartum hair treatments to try. It's normal for your hair to thin out after pregnancy. If it's not worrying you, you don't need to do anything to treat it. And unfortunately, there is nothing that has been shown to prevent or slow postpartum hair loss. But if your hair loss is bothering you, there are treatments you can try to make your hair appear fuller and healthier. Skip the styling. Heating your hair with a dryer or curling iron may make it look thinner. Try to hold off on fancy styling and let your hair air dry till the thinning tapers out. Brushes too hard can also cause your hair to fall out in bigger clumps, so be gentle when brushing and don't brush more than once a day. You can use the extra time to cuddle your baby or catch up on sleep. Eat well, including a variety of fruits, vegetables, and healthy proteins in your diet is the best way to make sure your body is getting all the nutrients it needs. Foods that are suggested by some to improve hair health include dark leafy green vegetables for the iron and vitamin C, sweet potatoes, carrots, and beta-carotene, eggs for the vitamin D, and fish for omega-3 and magnesium. Take your vitamins. Vitamins shouldn't be a substitute for a varied diet, especially when you are a new mom with a baby to take care of, but they may help as a supplement if your diet is not well balanced. While no specific vitamins have been shown to affect hair loss, they are important for overall health. It is often recommended to continue your prenatal vitamins after your baby is born, especially if you are breastfeeding. Use volumizing shampoo. While there is no evidence for it, conditioning shampoos sometimes weigh your hair down and make it look thinner and more limp. Volumizers may add body to your hair and help you maintain a lustrous look. Minimize stress. Stress hormones such as cortisol can have a negative impact on your hair cycle, compounding the hormonal changes after birth. While it may not be easy to relax with a newborn, you should be mindful to take some relaxing time out just for you. Try meditation or indulge in a regular massage or spa daily. Gentle exercise such as a modified postnatal yoga can also help reduce stress levels. Change your style. Many new moms opt for a shorter, easy-to-manage hairstyle. Not only can shorter hair be styled to hide thinner hair, but shorter hair will also help when the new hairs start to grow in. All or most of the hair that sheds will grow back, but the process takes time. New hairs will appear as flyaways, so this hairstyle will help the newer hairs blend with the remaining hair and they can grow out together. Monitor your hair cycle. While some hair changes are inevitable for many women, there is natural technology that can help keep the hair cycle healthy. Professional activators are topically applied serums that use botanicals such as glycyrrhizin from licorice root, salicylic acid, and a blend of botanicals such as sanguisorba and Japanese rose hips that act hair growth cycle, preventing excessive hair fall and boosting growth. Be extra gentle with your hair while washing or combing. Use a shampoo that increases volume in your hair and wash hair only when necessary. Also use combs with a widely spaced teeth. Consume food rich in iron, zinc, and vitamins, and you can also take the supplement in the form of medicine. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight and apply the strained water directly on the scalp. Leave it for an hour or two and wash. Include yogurt in your diet and use it as a hair mask as well. Mix it with some coconut oil and apply. Massage your hair gently with lukewarm oil because your hair washes to improve circulation and increase hair growth. Drink amla juice or apply pure amla oil to strengthen hairs. Application of coconut milk directly on the scalp also helps reduce hair loss. Include dry fruits and flax seeds in your diet. They are rich in omega-3 and help in strengthening the hair. Massage your hair regularly. For that, I am giving you a precious tip of making an oil by yourself. Collect 5 oils: olive oil, almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil, and argan oil in the equal quantity, and take that in a container and use it if you have a hair loss problem. It will help you a lot. DIY hair mask. Take a ripe avocado, mash it well, and add a tablespoon of coconut milk to it. Apply on the scalp and leave it to dry. Wash it off with a natural hair shampoo. Avocados are a rich source of vitamins that boost collagen's production. Coconut milk has the goodness of protein, which is essential for proper hair growth. Trim. What better time to get a new look? Shorten your hair length by a few inches so that they are easy to style. Now that you are busy with the baby, a shorter hairstyle will be easy to manage and take care of her. Practice self-care. Hop into a bubble bath. Soak your feet in Epsom salt to boost your calming magnesium stores. Diffuse lavender essential oils and learn how to meditate. Studies prove that prayer and meditations can also significantly reduce stress levels. All of these practices will help your body return to homeostasis and support healthy hair growth. Get as much sleep as you can. Easier said than done with young children, but if baby is still waking you at night, consider napping when baby naps, or even better, try to go to bed before 9 p.m. Sleep is so important because that's when the body repairs and regenerates. You should also limit stimulating blue lights once the sun sets, since it shuts down melatonin production, our master hormone, which can affect hair growth. Avocado hydration treatment. Avocado is one of the best first food for baby for good reason. They are full of vitamins, fatty acids, and proteins that are good for your scalp and hair too. Stimulating Castor Oil Mask. Castor oil, another product rich in fatty acids, also act as an antimicrobial to decrease dandruff and promote healthy hair growth. Mayonnaise hair wrap. If you are wary of raw eggs, mayonnaise is an excellent alternative. It has the same fatty acids that can help moisturize and improve your hair's health. You can add an egg and vitamin E capsule and also coconut oil in it to get the better results. Other than that, you can also do deep conditioning. Damp your hair with a water spray and apply conditioner in your hair strands one by one and wrap it with a stopper or a wrapper. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours and then rinse it with normal water. You will get a best result out of it. Here are some things to avoid. Avoiding something to increase the hair strength. Number 1. Heat tools. Hair dryers, curling irons, and straighteners can damage already struggling post-pregnancy hair. Frequent washes. Extend time between shampoos to give your hair a rest. Tight hairstyles. Pulling your hair up into tight ponytails, braids, or buns can put strain on your hair follicles and cause further damage. Brushing your hair when wet. When combed, saturated hair is much more prone to breakage. One other thing is that avoid hair spray to style your hairs. because it can also make your hairs harden, and that will cause the hair damage also. For all this treatment, you have to know the signs of hair loss after baby. Women in general lose close to 100 strands of hair every day even when they are not pregnant. However, about 4 to 6 months after delivery, you may observe clumps in your hairbrush or clogging in your drain. This is the first and only sign of postpartum hair loss, and the same gradually reduces as your baby gets ready to blow the candle for her first birthday. I hope I have explained all the causes and treatments of postpartum hair fall. If you like the video, then share it, like it, and also subscribe my channel to encourage me. And if you want a video on any specific topic, you can also make a comment about this topic. Thank you.